Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. The 2021 summer transfer window is one that will live long in the memory of football fans across the world following a number of eye-catching deals. There has been arguably never been a bigger summer of transfer than the one we have just witnessed, and it is still somewhat difficult to believe how many of the world's top players have switched teams. Long elegances that come to an end with other have been reacquainted with familiar surroundings that have brought feelings of romance and nostalgia. It has certainly changed the landscape of the football world, and if you are interested in being on betting football across the world, then head to Max Free Bets. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1, Cristiano Ronaldo. Just piping Messi to the top spot due to the romance of the move is Cristiano Ronaldo and his against return to the Manchester United. Ronaldo comes back to Old Trafford 12 years after departing for Real Madrid for a world record transfer after deciding to leave Juventus. Despite turning 36 this past season, he has still plenty of offer, having scored 81 goals in 98 league appearances for Juventus. Off the pitch, expect Ronaldo to provide a priceless example of the young players in the United squad such as Sancho, Marcus Rashford and Mason Greenwood. Number 2, Lionel Messi. Coming in this list is Lionel Messi, who shocked the world by leaving Barcelona and joining Paris Saint-Germain on a free transfer after La Liga rules denied him for signing an extension. The Argentine is still arguably the best player in the world and has additionally leaves PSG with a frightening forward line of Messi, Neymar and Mbappe for this season. Seeing him wear anything other than a Barcelona or Argentine jersey is a strange sight to say the least, but this is still an exciting prospect for all football fans. Number 3, Romelu Lukaku. Lukaku looks to be the missing piece of the puzzle at Chelsea, who despite winning the Champions League were lacking a prolific striker last season. Thomas Tuchel's side now has a serious focal point of their attack in one of the best centre forwards in the world football. Lukaku returned to the Premier League as a much improved player to the one that left for Inter Milan in 2019, having scored 47 goals in 72 appearances in Serie A. Number 4, Jack Grealish. It is not too often that you will see the British transfer record being broken, and it is only be the fourth ranked transfer of the window. Pep Guardiola splashed out £100 million to bring Jack Grealish to Manchester City, and in the process potentially chose him over signing Tottenham striker Harry Kane, who stayed with Tottenham after their valuation was not met. Jack Grealish looked ready to play at the next level in the Champions League, and there is plenty of excitement around what he can bring to City. Number 5, Raphael Varane. One of the biggest holes in the Manchester United squad was filled by the signing of Raphael Varane from Real Madrid. The centre back was available for just £36 million after entering the final year of his contract in Madrid, and now forms a partnership alongside Harry Maguire that looks good enough to compete for the Premier League title. Varane is a winner and boosts World Cup, Champions League and La Liga winner medals to his name, and that mentality will be a huge boost to Old Trafford dressing room. Number 6, Jadon Sancho. Jadon Sancho to Manchester United is a transfer many would have anticipated happening last summer, but after a frustrating negotiation process last year, they have finally their man initially perceived as their main target to fill the void that was present on Manchester United's right wing. There is now the argument that Sancho is the third most notable signing for the summer. Still, the second-year-old is one of the hottest young talent in the world football, and most would anticipate being a hugely successful signing for the club. Number 7, Sergio Ramos. Sergio Ramos' 16-year-old spell will came to an end this summer after he joined Paris Saint-Germain on a free transfer. Ramos would have featured higher on this list. He had played more than 15 league games for Real Madrid last season and eventually missed out and Spain squad for the European Championship. Despite being 35, he still has plenty of offer to Paris Saint-Germain as the four-time Champions League winner look to help the League One side win their first European Cup.